How to cut your grocery bill in half. You've been there. You walk into the grocery store with a list, a plan, and a clear budget in mind. But somehow at the end of it all, you leave with your cart piled high and your bank account looking way emptier than expected. Sound familiar? What if I told you that with a few simple changes, you could cut your grocery bill in half and still eat like a king or queen? That's right. Save hundreds of dollars a year without sacrificing quality or convenience. Stay tuned, because I'm about to show you the exact strategies that can cut your grocery expenses drastically. And it's easier than you think. The struggle, the grocery bill dilemma. The truth is, the average American spends about $400 a month on groceries, and that number could be even higher depending on your habits. And with inflation driving prices up, it's easy to feel like your grocery bill is completely out of control. But here's the kicker. What if I told you that most people are overpaying for things they don't even need? Most of the time, it's not about what you're buying, it's how you're buying it. I get it. It's overwhelming. The bright packaging, the impulse buys, and the "this looks good" moments. But here's the secret. Your grocery bill doesn't have to be a financial black hole. You can change that. The game plan: cutting the bill in half. So let's talk about how you can start cutting your grocery bill in half. And no, you won't have to live off instant ramen or freeze-dried meals. You just need to be smarter with your purchases. 1. Plan your meals. Know before you go. The first step to cutting your grocery bill in half is having a clear meal plan. When you walk into a store without a plan, you're practically begging for a high grocery bill. It's like going to a party with no boundaries and wondering why you wake up the next morning regretting your choices. Plan your meals for the week. Yes, a whole week. That way you buy exactly what you need and nothing more. You avoid those random items that somehow end up in your cart because you're hungry or distracted. I know what you're thinking. Meal planning sounds like something my mom would do. But guess what? She was right. Your mom was a financial genius. Just trust her. But here's the catch. Meal planning is only half the battle. How you buy your groceries is where the magic happens. 2. Shop with a list and actually stick to it. We all know that just browsing can lead to serious overspending. Those unexpected trips down the snack aisle? Yeah, they add up. If you want to cut your bill in half, make a shopping list and stick to it. No exceptions. Here's a pro tip. Create your list based on your meal plan and your grocery store's layout. Knowing where each item is in the store will keep you on track and avoid those wandering aisles where you buy things you definitely don't need. So what's your weakness? The chips aisle? The bakery? Identify it, and then, this is key, avoid it. Okay, now that you've got your plan and list down, let's talk about the actual shopping process. 3. Embrace store brands. Quality without the price tag. The biggest myth in grocery shopping? You need to buy name brand products to get the best quality. In reality, most store brands are made in the same factories as their more expensive counterparts and taste just as good, if not better. By switching to store brands, you can save up to 30% or more on your bill. And trust me, your taste buds won't even notice the difference. I promise. You're basically getting the same product for a fraction of the price. Can you say win-win? But what if I told you that there's one sneaky trick that could cut your grocery bill by even more? And you've probably been missing it this whole time? Stick around, because I'm about to reveal it. 4. Buy in bulk. Save big on staples. Buying in bulk can be a game changer. You know those giant bags of rice, pasta, and beans? They're cheap, they last forever, and they help you avoid those last-minute, overpriced grocery store runs. Plus, when you buy in bulk, you're buying exactly what you need. It's perfect for things you use often. Now, don't go crazy buying bulk items for stuff you'll never use, but stock up on essentials like grains, flour, canned goods, and frozen veggies. These are the items that have a long shelf life and will save you in the long run. What's one thing you always run out of midweek? Start with that. Bulk it up. Your future self will thank you. All right, so now you're planning your meals, shopping smart, and buying in bulk. But here's a game-changing habit that most people overlook. 5. Shop seasonally. Eat what's in season. Seasonal produce is usually cheaper because it's abundant and in high demand. By buying fruits and vegetables that are in season, you not only get fresher produce, but you also save a ton of money. So, instead of buying strawberries in the winter, because who even needs that, go for something like squash, which is cheap and in season. And here's another trick. You can stock up on your favorite seasonal items, freeze them, and use them year-round. That's how you keep the quality while saving big. The final steps, mastering your grocery budget. So now you're saving money on your grocery bill, but there's still one crucial piece of the puzzle left, and it's the secret that can take your savings to the next level. 6. Use coupons and apps. Every penny counts. In the digital age, there's no excuse not to use coupons. There are apps and websites that offer coupons for nearly every product on the market. You can easily save 10 to 20% on your grocery bill just by using these. And don't forget the store loyalty cards. They offer discounts and even cash back when you're a member. Start using these tools and watch the savings pile up. 7. Avoid pre-cut, pre-packaged foods. Pre-cut veggies and packaged meals may seem like a time saver, but they come with a price. When you buy whole ingredients and prep them yourself, you'll not only save money, but you'll also get the satisfaction of knowing you've made the smarter choice. Plus, you'll feel like a top chef in your kitchen, even if you're still figuring out how to boil pasta. Now that you know the secrets to cutting your grocery bill in half, it's time to take action. Start by implementing one of these habits today, and you'll see the difference in no time. So which one will you try first? Comment below, and let's talk about how you plan to save big this month. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on how to live a wealthy lifestyle without breaking the bank.